In this video, I'll show you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 10 and 11. Step 1. Clear prefetch files. Open your Start menu or head over into your Start menu, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Open the Run application or right-click your Start menu so you can search the Run application in this area. Click on that Open button under the Run application. Now enter prefetch under the Run application. So I'll just simply drag this in the middle for you to easily find the command that will enter in this area. So enter prefetch and click on that OK button. Now you need to actually confirm your access into this prefetch file. So make sure that you confirm that on that continue button, and that will take you on your prefetch files. Here you will see all of the files that your computer uses during startup. Select all files by clicking Ctrl A and delete them all to enhance your computer's startup performance. Step 2. Delete temporary files. So on the Run application, enter temp on the prompt and click on that OK button and proceed on this area. So this will show you temporary files stored on your PC. Select all of this by clicking Ctrl A and press the delete button. And these two steps will help you free up storage and boost performance of your Windows 10 or 11 PC. And that's basically how you can clear all cache and junk from Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.